Today we will present another welding device. It will be the Sherman DIGITIG 226P AC/DC, a small, compact, portable device for TIG and MMA welding. The Welder is a new version of the 216P AC/DC model. The current model is equipped with several new functions and the ability to adjust all the necessary parameters needed in the TIG welding process. The device is constructed using inverter technology in a solid and compact housing. The small dimensions of the device and the transport handle allow for trouble-free transport to the workplace. The device offers TIG AC, AC pulse, DC, DC pulse, and MMA welding. Additionally, it has 2-step, 4-step, and spot welding modes. The panel has been designed in such a way that it can be easily operated with one hand, which is very convenient and intuitive. On the rear panel, there is a gas connection in the form of a quick connector plug, which facilitates installation and enables quick preparation of the device for operation. The welding machine is equipped with an intelligent cooling system. A fan-stop fan is installed on its board, which turns off when the device is not in operation. This saves energy and reduces the noise level in the workplace. The set includes a 4-meter TIG handle, a mass cable, and torch accessories. The device also works with a foot control, with which we initiate the welding arc and can smoothly regulate the welding current. If you want to use the foot control, after connecting the pedal control plug to the device, press and hold the pedal in the extreme position until the remote control indicator lights up on the panel. By selecting the MMA welding method, we can adjust the welding current and the arc force function. There is a diode on the panel, parameter alarm, which signals that the parameters are inadequate to the diameter of the electrode we want to weld. It is best to determine the diameter of the electrode used at the beginning of work. If we go beyond the range of recommended welding current for a given electrode, the diode will light up. Welding will be possible, but the device signals too low or too high a current for the selected electrode. When the diode is off, it means that we are working within the parameters for a given electrode diameter. When selecting any TIG method, the parameters are changed by pressing the knob. The unit in which a given parameter is adjusted is highlighted next to the display. We can select and adjust parameters such as gas flow before welding, initial current, current rise, main current, current fall time, final current, and gas flow after welding. Pulse welding is also possible, where we additionally adjust the lower current, the pulse frequency, and the time ratio of the upper current to the lower current. The Welder has very good welding properties. We can achieve easy and trouble-free arc ignition in AC current, a stable arc during welding, and a good aluminum cleaning zone. To start welding aluminum without any problems, we must first prepare it properly. The place of exclusion should be cleaned with a stainless brush and the entire material wiped with acetone. This will help eliminate the first problems. The rest will be done by the device and the skillful hands of the welder. The model presented today has one more useful function, spot mode, where we can precisely regulate the welding time after the arc is fired. The Sherman DIGITIG 226P AC/DC welding machine is a professional device for everyone. Welcome to our online store, dedicated not only to welders. We offer a wide selection of professional welding equipment, including welding machines, torches, electrodes, and welding accessories.